nga, nasa cave kami. Ayan, no?
Jowa ko, ti.
Jowa mo? Nagka-jowa ka na.
Yes!
Sabihin nun.
Ano sabihin ng jowa?
Tawag ko, ti.
Tropa?
Tropa.
Quintin, jowa is not tropa, Quintin. We're now here in the falls. Welcome to Philippine Stream! Here at Luciana, Laguna! Loko, pwede tayong magtaguan dito. Hanapin mo ako, ah.
Sige, mag-catch.
Dito ko muna, dyan ka.
Sige.
Oh, dyan na. Oh, wait, wag kang tigil. Ako muna dito yung tatago ako, hanapin mo.
Booking.
Wala kang titingin! Nagulo ko.
Roof. Ito na.
Hanapin mo muna si mama.
Hanapin mo ako!
Hanapin mo muna siya.
Oh, nga. Hello!
Hindi pa kita hanapin. Sige, kung magtago, hanapin kita.
Sige, ah.
Ako 5 ka nga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Game!
I'm here. Hello!
This is the cave pool, my dear friends. Kasi nga, nasa cave kami. Ayan, no?
Hey!
Hindi you cannot jump, ah.
Why?
Because it's shallow. It's shallow, Quintin. You're gonna get injured. Don't jump. Jumping is not allowed.
Can kiss him now.
You have to wear your shorts. You have to change into trunks. May steam dito.
Actually, meron tayong dalawang steam bath pan. We have
So,
Boiler.
steam bath using boiler, meaning we need electricity or coal. Like that, yes. But here we're using wood. So yung nakukuha po nilang wood na nandun po dito sa paligid, dahil nature nga po itong ano, yung po ang ginagamit nila na pampainit sa steam.
Can't you see? You butterflies, colors, you celebrate, colors to slow down. Oh, yeah.
The next day.
So, it's 7:38
Oh
o'clock
no!
in the
Siya
morning.
na lang.
Ang ingay ni Quintin.
So?
Ang ingay ni Quintin. Ang hirap kasama. So, dito po, merong...
Wala!
Nakita ko sa ito kahapon, di ba yung... Ang hirap wala akong dalang mic, eh, no?
Jowa ko, ti.
Jowa mo? Nagka-jowa ka na. Alam ba ibig sabihin ng jowa?
Alam mo yun.
Yes!
Sabihin nun.
Ano sabihin ng jowa?
Tawag ko, ti.
Tropa?
Tropa.
Quintin, jowa is not tropa. Diba, Quentin? Look, oh. Now I can see. Ang ganda mo ditong piles ng bamboo. Ito.
Ama!
Yes, look at Quentin. Itong piles ng bamboo din, ang ganda, oh. Hanggang dulo po yan. Trees. So when you walk, actually winawalk mo to. Kaya lang ho, naka-shuttle.
Boss!
We're supposed to walk, but because Quentin is, what do you call, tamad. What's it called?
Tamad!
Tamad, yeah. Tamad. So, hindi ho siya mainit. Actually, malamig siya. Naging chipmunks yung boses mo. Sit down properly. Could you please kindly sit down properly? So, we're now going to Dream Falls, also known as Aliw Falls.
Uy! Uy!
And pag hindi ho kayo maingat sa inyong paglalakad dito, pwede kayo ma-fall. Ba't parang chimpak yung boses mo? So, as you can see, we're walking up.
Bye-bye!
Quentin, walk slowly. I said careful. You want mommy to get mad?
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ang galing ko sa math, no? Oh, there's no one here. Wala pong...
What?
There's no one here.
What?
So see, there's nobody in here. We have the falls to ourselves.
Fool right here?
Yes. So there's a forest camp if you go up there.
Saka ako?
If you want to. Wow! We're now here in the falls. May tunnel po dito. Ang tawag po dito, Heart of Jesus. So check ho natin anong meron po dito.
Bye! Bye!
Quentin, come here. Quentin. Quentin here first. Quentin. Ito po yung tunnel ng Heart of Jesus. Paglabas po dito, makikita nyo na po itong sinasabi nilang parang convention area.
Picture na.
Ayun po yung Dream Spa, yung may slide. Kita nyo yon, Dream Spa. Ito po yung Dream, parang villa when you can hold conventions. Tapos, dito, nakita nyo yung helipad. Tapos nakita nyo naman doon, may zipline, merong rock climbing. Kitang-kita nyo yung magandang view. Ayan. 200 bucks po ang kaya po dito po sa Pilgrim Dreams Eco Farm and Resort. Diba ang taray? Gusto ko yung sinasabi ko nga kahapon pa eh. Diba may stained glass yung pa-basketball court. Paano yun? Pero as much as possible, they're trying to preserve the rainforest itself. Yung rainforest po nandoon po. Saka doon kung saan tayo nanggaling na sa may falls, they're preserving the rainforest itself. Kasi I think that's very important. They're trying to preserve nature itself.
Good luck!